Namaste Bharat. Happy driving, safe driving. Hope everyone are at good health. In this rainy season, there are lot of waterlogging, lot of villages have gone, lot of towns, low-lying areas are filled with water, cars have gone in the water. This is the topic we are continuously talking on from last 2 weeks. Today also the same on the car, what damages happens to your parts of the car and what precautions you should take. Alternator and starter motor damage, they are at low down in the engine, down the car. So there are always chances that mud and water all can get in and that can damage the alternator and starter motor damage. If that is done, the car won't start and the battery won't charge. So to avoid this, you should make that you never park the car in a flooded area or take it in deep waters. The second point is what we call as clutch slippage. There is always chances while you are going in flooded water, clutch gets slipped. So the mud, the water, the dirt and all will enter in, and the major damage is when you give accelerator, the car will not accelerate nor it will affect, and the car will not move or properly and it will stuck or it will give you jerks. This can be avoided if you have gone through the water and the logs. Take the car to the service station, get the entire thing cleaned and drained and make sure it is effectively. These are the two things which we discussed, how to prevent and how to maintain. Happy driving, safe driving. Whenever you plan to buy a new or a pre-owned car, think of Chitra Cars. Thank you.